Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video, and hit the bell notification before you leave, and let's get started. So I'm going to be doing eyeliner, mascara, primer, mascara, lashes, and setting spray. So let's just get straight into it. I'm going to be putting just the liner on here for the lashes. I'm not gonna do a wing or anything because then I'd be sitting here for 20 minutes trying to get the wing perfect. So I'm gonna do what's necessary for the lashes. I'm gonna be using the LA Colors liquid primer. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow primers. Very cheap and does the job. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. That should be good enough. I would try to perfect it if I wasn't trying to do like a really fast video. So next, I'm gonna be doing probably just one eye on camera. So I'm putting on the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise mascara base. And I'm gonna use my mirror to try to dry it real fast. Okay, then I'm going to be going in with the actual mascara, the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. With wearing lashes, I probably didn't need to do the base, but it's fine, no worries. And my friend has a makeup brand. It's Jever Crown Co. I'm pretty sure her lashes are still 50% off on her website, so you definitely need to check those out. But that's the lash company that I'm going to be using today. I already put the sorry, I was trying to put this on. I had already put the glue on off camera so that it had time to dry. The style that I'm wearing is, I'm not really sure off the top of my head. I don't see it on the bag. I'll have to put it in the description. But yeah, so there we go. And of course, setting spray. I know I look crazy with just one eyelash on, but like I said, I'm not editing these videos, so I'm just trying to put everything on. Urban Decay All Nighter, best setting spray. Voila. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series. This is the last part. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.